Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can unhide or show rulers for orientation in your website projects through the Webflow web designer. For orientation, for example, if you need these rulers here on the canvas. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your site project, and what you want to do is here in the given page you're editing right now, what you want to do is click into these canvas settings in the top right. You may adjust the width of the canvas, for example, or let me reset it to its default settings. And here at the bottom, guys, you will see the ruler settings as well as for guides. So for this method, I'm going to enable the ruler. It will be set to no ruler on default, but you can go with a pin ruler, and you will see the ruler here at the top, so that you may use it for orientation if you want to add an element, for example, at this position or mark here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.